Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 2. It's about 10 o'clock. What is it? Well, it's about 10:30 in the morning. We're getting a little late of a start this morning, but the upside is we got gas right there, so we're gonna gas up, head for Badlands. Got up about 7:30 or so, 8 o'clock. I don't know. Got some breakfast. Ran to Walmart because we had to grab some bottled water and stuff that we can throw in our coolers and some snack food that we can take with us. And we're getting ready to get on the road toward Badlands, so hopefully we'll be at Badlands early afternoon. We get the benefit of losing an hour when we cross the time zone, so that'll be nice. But we've got a couple hundred miles to go to get to Badlands National Park, so we'll check in later. See you then. Figured we'd make a pit stop to get out of the wind. We're in Mitchell, South Dakota. Decided to get off and check out the Corn Palace. So there it is, right next to City Hall.
Half a mile, turn left onto East First Avenue.
we made it to our third gas stop today. We're right outside Badlands National Park. Got some fake bison over there. Ended up running into somebody else from Missouri, riding a trike back from Gillette, Wyoming. And I've seen some of the worst fuel mileage we've gotten on the trip. I think between the speed and the wind. Last tank was down to 23 a gallon. I'm not sure what this one's going to be, but I can't see it being much better because I had to switch to reserve at 120 miles. So that's probably going to be not great, but we did it. We finally made it to Badlands. So we're going to pull out of here, ride through the park and up to Wall, visit Wall Drug, and we'll probably catch you there or somewhere. You'll see some video from the Badlands National Park.
My butt hurts.
She says her butt hurts, but I can't complain. A little CB 500 over there, it just keeps right on. It keeps right on cruising along, and we've been cruising right around 80 mile an hour up here, and that little thing loaded down is keeping up with no problem. So bikes are doing good. She's getting about 48, 49 miles to the gallon, and I got about 23 on that last tank. So yep, about the same. This one's going to be about 23, 5.8 gallons on 120 miles, something like that. So
I think I probably got more.
Had to switch over to reserve, but that was only because the wind was blowing us sideways so hard that it was actually, it had me slosh the fuel. The fuel is all sloshed away from the pickup in the tank. So at any rate, we'll see you out of Badlands or at Wall. Well guys, as you can see from some of the video, we made it through Badlands National Park, and we're now in Wall, South Dakota at Waldrug. So we're gonna go in and check out Waldrug. So far today, we have gone, oh, where is it? Come on. 310 miles. And it is now about, oh, what was it, 5 o'clock in the evening? I think it's 5 o'clock local time. So, no, 4:30. So we're not doing too bad. It's about another hour from here up to the Sturgis spearfish area, I think. So give or take a little bit. So we're probably gonna head that way tonight, and we'll check in a bit. All right guys, so we made it into Sturgis. We are in Sturgis, South Dakota now. We're getting ready to go grab something to eat. We unloaded the bikes here at the hotel. We're staying at the Sturgis Motel, and we're gonna go up to Main Street, get some food, look around some. Looks like today we had a grand total of 389 miles for today, so that puts us just over 1,000 miles in the last 2 days, kiddo. We're moving. So tomorrow we're gonna ride down through the Black Hills, enjoy some of the scenery there as we head down toward Colorado. So we're gonna go down, grab something to eat, check out Main Street in Sturgis, just wander around, enjoy some of the shops. So if you're following along with us here on YouTube, I'm gonna try and get this video up for you guys this evening, but then we may have some breaks in there because we're planning on doing some camping as we go take the rest of our trip. And I found out last night that unfortunately my laptop battery only has about 10 minutes worth of battery even when it's fully charged. So unfortunately, if we're not somewhere where I can plug in, I'm not going to be able to get videos together and get them up for you guys, so they may be slightly delayed. But at any rate, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.